Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can find OpenAI a ChatGPT API key in 2 seconds. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to be entered on OpenAI. Once you come over here, then you just need to be search and login, or I can say an URL that's called this one, ChatGPT or OpenAI API key. Once you search it, then eventually you will get this key called platform.openai.com. You just need to go over here. Once you go over that place, then you just need to be logged in that place. Once you log in, let's try to log in that OpenAI platform. Once I log in, then eventually I will get options to get or grab the API key. So from that place, you can see you already landed in here. So you just need to create a secret key for your users. So you can give a name, then select your project, and then just click create secret key. And in this way, you will get that API key. Let's say we are going to give one my test, and then just click create, and you will eventually get the API key. And you can see this is our API key. So in this way, you can easily create API key for your users. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.